How to fit the CZ600 Trail AR buffer tube adapter by G10. Step 1. Remove the chassis from the rifle by removing the two torque bolts here and here. Step 2. Remove the skeleton stock. Remove the bolts holding the end of the skeleton stock and slide the skeleton stock out of the chassis. Step 3. Now that you have removed the skeleton stock from the chassis, remove the 3 pins, here, here, and here. These hold the stock release mechanism. Having removed the pins, the stock release mechanism can be removed from the chassis. Step 4. Using the 3.3mm drill bit provided, drill through the side holes as shown. Step 5. Take your G10 CZ600 adapter and place it in the rear of the chassis. Use a rubber mallet to firmly tap it into place. Step 6. Secure the adapter using the two 4x14 bolts provided. Step 7. Fit the bolts on both sides of the adapter. If the bolts are tight, you may have to enlarge the holes slightly in the plastic chassis, or add a dab of copper grease to the bolt to assist with its seating. Step 8. Take the O-ring provided and place it onto the buffer tube. Now screw the buffer tube assembly into the adapter. Tighten with the lock nut, being careful not to pinch the O-ring. Tighten until secure. Step 9. Using the Grub screw and the hex wrench provided, place the Grub screw in the bottom of the adapter. Once the Grub screw is tightened, the assembly is complete. You are now ready to attach any AR-15 buttstock to your rifle. Thank you for watching. Please check out our website g-10.co.uk where you can purchase one of our CZ600 Trail buffer tube adapters. See you next time.